Hey guys, welcome to Family Nastar. Continuing on with our Sabah Zoo video. This video is dedicated to all the food that we came across during our trip to Sabah, Kota Kinabalu. The street we are seeing here today is the Godiva ice cream. They have kiosks at the mall and the ice creams are absolutely amazing. You guys should give it a try if you haven't already. How creative is that? It can't get any fresher than that. This stall had quite a long queue, so it's basically hot dog dipped in a batter and then deep fried along with mayo and ketchup and sauces, and it was pretty good. Steamed corn in a cup mixed with butter, mayo, and cheese.
That is so.
Takoyaki is like a savory pancake balls, comes stuffed with some meat inside, and you can top it with any sauce of your choice. It was really yummy. A special cheesy sandwich, it says that if you pull it apart, the cheese pulls along with it. So you got to wait like 30 seconds to a minute to do that. It was quite an experience. Sadly, we lost the pulling video. A traditional crispy pancake, stuffed or not. A whole meal that we had at a restaurant with chicken, rice, fritters, sauce, everything. Sugar bun chicken, it's like KFC. Pezzo sells pizzas by the slices. They have many flavors. We were having the margarita, and this is steam corn. Fish balls, meatballs, fish sticks, meat sticks, they are all available fresh or ready to cook. So you can order and they can make it fresh for you. Evening hot snacks, these traditionally includes popiam, pisang goreng, chuchurudang, and more. Traditional pudding, bean milk, and drinks, seaweed drink. These are pickled vegetables and fruits that you see here. It includes mangoes, guavas, limes. These shops generally do have chips or krupokes included in the shops, and there are so many varieties and you can actually try a few of them before you buy it. These kind of stalls has ready-made food displayed and you can just take whatever you want and they will charge you according to that. You will find these chicken wings and satays almost everywhere. These are dried shrimp and seafood that can be used in part of cooking or make a shrimp paste out of it or just fry it and have it. This is a special seafood market. You could see umpteen amount of exotic seafood varieties here. They have live produce and fresh seafood. You can pick the seafood, you can pick the greens and vegetables along with spices and sauces, and they will make it for you fresh right there. You can also try out meat sticks and fish sticks like this. There are also hot food live counters, and satay along with peanut sauce is one of the must tries over there. Some steamed healthy snacks, some local cold drinks and local kuehs. Not just exotic varieties of seafood, but they actually also have exotic tropical varieties of fruits and vegetables and a lot of green fresh produce. So do give them a try. Another must try are the local restaurants. This is how they typically look. And the one that is special to us is restaurant Maimuna Maju. So this belongs to our uncle, and not to be biased or anything, but we had one of the best experience over there at this place. They are a restaurant chain and they are actually open 24 hours, and they are located in all the prominent locations that you just can't miss. And whatever varieties you're seeing here right now, it's all from there. And this is run by one of the most amazing gentlemen that you can see, and he is the most generous and most kindest person we have ever met. And the food tastes absolutely amazing. Enjoy the after effects picture also, guys. Gorgeous viewers, don't forget to subscribe. Definitely try the dosa varieties over there as well. This is nasi bungkus. It basically means rice parcel. You can have it with any kind of curries with the rice. These are some of the local drinks you will find there: ice milk tea, ice lemon tea, and this is rose milk. And you will also be having teh tarik, which is a hot milk tea, and that's a must try. Desert time, guys, my personal favorite. They have equally good amount of desserts in their cuisine as well. It is steamed, they are baked, and these are steamed rice desserts called kueh, made with tapioca as well. They have deep fried sweet fritters. They have a lot of cookies, a lot of tarts, and you should definitely try the egg tarts and cheese tarts and cheese based desserts also. They also have soft breads and buns and chiffon cakes and sponge cake. The list just goes on and on and on. The food varieties are so massive that they actually have something for everyone: sweet tooth, or you want something spicy, you want meaty, you want vegetarian. There are so many options that you can try out there. Do get to the local markets and local restaurants and give those food a try. That's how you actually get the taste of everything. Egg and cheese tart, you should definitely try this. Ice cream cakes that are for birthdays, look at how lovely they look. Freshest drink, of course. Maybe pineapple comes right after this. This Maggi Goreng, meaning fried Maggi, tasted like heaven after a long day on the island. Soon the island videos will be coming up as well, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. There are more coming. Do subscribe to our channel, and you can also select the notification button so that you actually are able to see when our new video comes up. And ciao till then.